Bruce, Tuck, you ready? Hi, you ready to go to the park?
Ready to go?
Ready? Oh, guys,
Go, Tucker.
go. Bruce. Yeah. Whoa.
Hey, Pooch.
Whoa.
Whoa. What's going on, guys? Gavin Peacock here, Flip Society. So I haven't seen anyone do full speed sprinting with these things yet, so we headed to Hyde Park and got a full speed sprint on. That's mainly what I want to show you, and we're just gonna get this going right now. Okay, see you soon, in a sec. What's going on, everybody, from a cold Toronto, Canada? We're in Hyde Park. We got some snow, fresh snow dumping last night.
Yeah.
We're out here with the Hero 7 Black and the Osmo Pocket. And
Pooches.
our poochers, Bruce and Tucker, you guys know. Bruce is new.
New family member.
We're just out here doing a little steady shot shootout, comparing the Osmo Pocket to the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Good enough for now. Okay, this is gonna be full speed run cam with the Osmo Pocket. Tucker, Kara, Bruce. Okay, and we're gonna spin around. Ready, guys?
Ready?
Here I go. I'm running. Good boys. Oh, the jumper. Yeah, go. Oh. Okay, this is gonna be full speed running test. GoPro Hero 7 Black. Got the dogs held up. I'm gonna start running that way, and they're gonna catch me eventually. Come on. Yeah. Good boy.
Guys, in the winter.
I wish I could turn face lock off, but I forget how. Oh, it's working. Pausing here to jump in again. I gotta say, I fully expected the shot to be dead smooth with the Pocket. And as I've noticed before in past, gimbals tend to erase the sense of speed. So I'm running as fast as I can down this pathway, and it doesn't really look like the camera's advancing that well until you see the dogs in reference to the shot as well. I threw the gimbal on Tucker a long time ago, and it was kind of the same thing. He was going full speed, but you didn't get the feeling of speed through the camera, and it might just be the wider shots. But yeah, very impressed with the gimbal stability. Good job gimbal, good job. Looking back at that 7 footage, I know I got a pretty darn steady hand. You've seen that in my 10 tips and tricks for steady camera footage, but fully expected in full sprint to have arms moving up and down. And once I got up to speed, that camera just leveled out and was basically as good, if not better, than the Osmo Pocket footage. I'm just hand bombing that with a simple grip like this. This is actually what I was full speed running with, and it stabilized the whole way through. So it was some good practice. No need for a gimbal, basically. The 7's doing it for you. That's pretty darn awesome. Overall, looking like slow motion, very smooth on both. It's just the framing is going to be a little tight and tricky to capture what you're after on the Pocket. You're going to have to have your framing really dialed in and be looking at that tiny screen to get what you want to get on frame. So be careful of that. Pulling a timeout here, just the first time I was viewing this footage back. I'm 6'4" and have a mega long arm reach, and at full extension, the field of view crop factor of the lens of the Osmo Pocket was barely just getting my face past a medium shot in frame. So without that $20 attachment that lets you get onto a longer extension stick like so, you really are not able to even do video logging with this guy at a
regular average length arm.
Let's put it. Whereas the GoPro 7, boom, you know it's fisheye, you know it's never gonna miss the shot if you're even half decent at framing.
Go. Bruce. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Go. Continuing. In closing, I simply wanted to show you guys the comparison between these at full speed sprint, this with no gimbal versus something that's fully 3-axis stabilized, is pretty amazing that the GoPro came out with similar quality footage. I would choose the GoPro, but that's easy for me to say when I've been using them for the last 8 years. Although there are times and places for this little guy, it has a million deeper features that I haven't gone into. That maybe deserves a full review, but the YouTube world is out there. You can watch those anywhere. So yeah, I hope you're surprised by how stable this is. My next video is going to be try to trick you guys into guessing which camera I'm actually using. The brand new 7 4K with the stabilization. I'm also going to grab my old Hero 4s and old 3s and even super cheap $199 Yi cameras. Maybe slap these to some gimbals and see if you guys can notice whether the smoothness of the 7 is truly worth it, or if I can trick you into a far older technology with a gimbal in terms of steady motion, and see if you really need to go spend those new bucks on a new camera. So as always guys, Gavin Peacock, Flip Society out. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Stay tuned this year for plenty more videos, some to educate and hopefully some to entertain. See you guys soon. Got both dogs.
Oh, you guys ready?
Both dogs
Are you ready?
locked up.
Thank you.
It's stuck on face mode so I can't see them. Where are they?